Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to another episode of Sun Talk Show. Today is 2019, November 21st, Thursday, 3 o'clock 35 minutes, San Francisco time in the afternoon. And we've got a lot of things to talk about. We are going to play footsie. And we got a lot of things to talk about. Good morning, Emily. Just Emily here. Who else? We got 6 people. Okay, people say hi, come up. And so let's see what is today's topic. Key mouse. Okay, this page I need to fix, or maybe not. Okay, so let me show Start Talk Show. There it is, today's page, and we are going to talk about Kensington scratchy wheel and the kinesis foot pedals I have there prepared to show you. And I'm going to show a ball on a foot massage, footsie in the office. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to play that, and where to buy juggling balls, where to buy the stuff, and so that is the today's topic, and we might be coding some Emac Lisp, maybe near the end. Then that's it. I was thinking we're gonna do JavaScript, but I think that's enough for today. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Zimwelt. Good morning, Kathy. Xa, you have sold me on the Kinesis Advantage. Great. Time to put a dent in my wallet. Yes, indeed. So buy from my website. Okay, if you are in USA or if you are buying from Amazon, buy from my website. And okay, so let's go into show. Let me go to my keyboard blog. There's quite a few things interesting. Uh, Oops, where is that Discord? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, let's start with the Kensington Expert mouse. Well, it's not actually a mouse. It's a trackball. Okay, and there's more interesting things. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. Let's post the keyboard blog so you guys can go buy it. Okay, make the economy great again. Paste. I like the happy hacking keyboard. who doesn't? Now, if you are a hacker, you have to have a happy hacking keyboard. Okay, otherwise you don't qualify. Okay, so okay, so should we start properly? Now, stop this video. Stop this there. And 10 people watching, which is great. Now I have to look at myself. Do I look good? Okay, I look okay. I'm okay. I'm not too old yet. Oh God. Next, what is the next thing? Next thing is Discord. Okay, if you guys have not joined yet, join. Uh, well, but Bart is not here or not yet because I screwed up my schedule. And so Discord, you can find the Discord link all over. Okay, just study Discord. You'll find my Discord. It's on my website. It's on my YouTube link to it too. Okay, so we're gonna talking about the Kinesis expert mouse. I mean not Kinesis, but the Kensington expert mouse. Now, Emily, who is right here, and in the chat, and she's got this mouse, and she's got this is her video. She's got hackers programming books. Now listen to that. So Kensington mouse is got this well-known problem of the scratchy wheel. If you scratch, if you rotate it, that wheel is like it functions like a scroll wheel, and it makes this hideous noise. You own that as well. So can you guys hear it? Let me see if I can turn up the volume or something. Can you guys hear it? Lovely books. Can you guys hear it or not? Okay, yeah, okay, so this is no good. Wait, headphones. Oh, there. Oh, wait. Now, I've been listening to that all this morning. Okay, let me turn back my headphones, Logitech headset. Okay, I've been listening to that all this morning. So this is a known problem. And if you go online, there are some nerds, who tries to fix this. They open it up, and I don't remember what's the problem, but it's a bad design. There's something inside that makes that noise so bad. So because of this, and I don't want to buy this one because because that is really annoying. That when you do that, why have you been listening to it so much? It's just playing in the background. That's all. this it's I'm exaggerating. So there it is, the Kensington, and it doesn't look like it's well built. So when you buy this device, look at the corner. Okay, wait, hold on a second. It doesn't look like it's well built, right? Look here. So it doesn't look like it's well built. So when you bought this, was it after careful consideration, or you just happens to buy it? So anyway, I don't think so. I wouldn't. Nah, not this one. I would pick something else. So yesterday we were talking about trackballs for like 40 minutes in my in a stream. So there it is that. Okay, and Emily is talking, playing footsie with her trackball. So she is using this trackball in her office, and and put it on the floor, and footsie, footsie, mess with it. Let's see. She doesn't. She didn't. She didn't actually show a photo of her feet on this thing, but she said she is doing this. Um, oh, look, someone else has this footrest, and I'm going to show you XAR system. Okay, so what else? Comments. Lovely books. I used to have a CST track. Yes, that is a well-known trackball, one of the highest quality trackball. So let me show you. Okay, so did I hide my windows? No. Okay, so let me position it correctly so you guys can see it. So we are talking about this one, the L track, and I have some of my friends who bought it. This one, unfortunately, the business shut down about few months ago because the guy, apparently. So thanks to George, who always give us interesting information. So George posted some information about this L track. Basically, apparently, the company shut down because the owner is getting old. He's retiring, so and they sold it to another company. So apparently, this trackball will still be going. We'll have to wait and see, until the new company makes a name of it. So this is rather high, one of the highest quality trackball. But I read all the reviews. I have never actually touched it because this is you buy it online. Usually, it's not through via retail. So I cannot go to the Price Electronics and try it. They don't have it. So this one I never touched it, but for my reviews, I read all the reviews. Um, I wouldn't get it because, well, it's high quality and many people like it, but the design, you see, they got this square wheel on top, which is kind of a awkward position. A lot of people complain about that, and also that is a middle button. So the design is kind of not that good. Okay, the what's the best design for trackball? Let me show you the best design for trackball. It would be something like this. Okay, this Kensington slim blade. Okay, but again, like I mentioned yesterday, this one doesn't have a wheel. So if you want to scroll up and down, you have to rotate it like that, which is not good. Okay, it's not good. You want physical devices like I'm going to show you. Uh, what you want is like knobs and wheels. You want a whole bunch of knobs and wheels, like in the cockpit of some airplane. you know, uh, all the knobs and wheels. So because that way you establish muscle memory. That is natural. Like in nature, you don't have you don't have like virtual keys or virtual trees or virtual, you touch this tree, then you have to touch that tree, then you touch this tree, then it does something. That doesn't exist. You want physical things you touch. You don't want touch screens. Fuck. Okay. And the Navy, there's an article about this Navy who had an accident, some because the user interface fucked them up. They ran into another ship, cargo ship, ran into the um the destroyer. How do they call that? The ships, the warship. There are several types. I cannot remember the names of anything when I'm talking. But anyway, I have an article somewhere here. So, well, should I show it or not? Show it. So, okay, so Navy. Okay, so go to keyboard blog and Navy. Okay, the Navy touch screen. There it is. So, this is a warship. This one is what's a specific type of the warship? Well, I didn't say. Destroyer. Yeah, so it's a destroyer. Destroyer means it kind of, well, anyway, it's a destroyer. Okay, so it is a big hole, and I think four people died in the ship. Four sailors died because some merchant commercial cargo ship ran into it. Why? Because this warship is deviated from the planned route. And it's too late to change. Then the cargo ship put a dent on it. So, and they were using, because why? Because one, they found out, so they were using this touch screen fuck, the modern touch screen. you touch screen. That is why. Okay, so, well, that's part of the reason they are using this modern touch screen. That fucked up things up. So after study, they want this old fashioned style. Everything is physical. Knobs and wheels. That's what you want. And in the same way, it is actually good. In the same way, you want knobs and wheels. Okay, for your keyboard or for your mouse. Let me go here. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. You want trackball. You want keyboard keys. You want these, knobs and wheels, lots of it. This device is new on Amazon. You can buy this is designed for Photoshop users. So one hand, you look at this girl. One hand for drawing. I possess this too. I possess things. So one hand is gonna be for drawing. You draw, do, and the other hand is twisting and tricking and pushing and rolling, you know, things like that. And next stop, let's do the footsie. footsie 101. Let me see the comments. Okay, so it's not at first, though, not at first. Foot dexterity. Zoomwelt. Where are you from again? Zoomwelt, I forgot. I lost it when moving, and I will never forget it because soon after I realized they shut down. Okay, how long I've been talking? I have to adjust my timing. 8 people, not many today. Shit. Okay, so go back here. So 3 buttons on Unix. Okay, so let's show the footsie. Okay, so I have kinesis pedal. First of all, let me just bring it up. This, okay, this one. Very good point in the user interface. Let's go back here. So there you have it. You can see it. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the kinesis. Okay, elite. Now I have programmed the keys. I mean, I have programmed the pedal. So this one on the right is for switch to last app or window. So you can see I press it. You see, let me show you. Okay, so what's a good angle? Anyway, so the right one is this one. You can this this one. Okay, so I press it, it'll switch to the last window. Okay, and so that is the right one. This is the right ones, and the left one is for it's for, I forgot, it's for, but the middle one is full screen. Wait, is it full screen or not? I forgot. Yeah, full screen. There it is. You see, this middle one is full screen. Well, so there it is. Kinesis Elite. What is this? Savant Elite 2 Kinesis Corporation. So you guys go there and buy it. Okay, so on the back, yes. So let me show you this. On the back, they have these screws. Okay, let me show you where that. There. So each foot pedal you have a screw. That screw will tighten or loosen the pressure. I mean, how much? So it's adjustable. You can adjust the resistance. How much you have to, the resistance of the thing. Yeah. Okay. So actually, so let me press this one so you can see. So it's just like 3 pedals attached to a metal plate. Okay, it's 3 pedals attached to a metal plate, basically screwed on to the metal plate, and then so you can see the wires coming out. Then they connect to the middle, to the center. Then so you can program them. And I forgot how it is programmed. I don't, you see, because I don't actually use foot pedal much. So let's see what it does. Okay, so let's put it back. So what is, because I don't use it, so I forgot what the keys I programmed. So the left one is switch to last app. Okay, for example, now I'm in Emacs, press it, yeah, so switch to last app. Now the middle one is, okay, it's a max screen. So middle one is max screen. So you can see toggle max screen. And what is the right one? Oh, the right one is reload. Shit, I didn't want to reload. Right one is reload browser. Okay. Okay, so reload browser, yeah. So okay, so let's go back. Let me show you the footsie thing. So copy that, close that, show that. Okay, close the keyboard and paste that. Okay. Uh, okay. So that looks really satisfying to click. It's programmed with an app on Windows or Mac. Oh, okay. So yeah, let me show you. Hold on a second. Let me show you. Wow, you cannot. Well, I'm bare feet. Okay, so because I don't wear socks. I don't like to wear socks. So this is kind of okay, but this is ugly. I wasn't sure whether I should show it. That's my trash can. That's my this very old PC. It's all dust. Actually, I did some cleanup here. So this one, I don't want to show my feet too much. So that one is to like stamp it, stamp it, stamp it. That one is switch to last window, and this one is maximize. Okay, maximize, it's actually doing command control F on the Mac, and I don't think it's working in this app. So that's another thing annoying because when your app doesn't have the same shortcuts, so that is annoying. Then this one is anyway. So I have this ball. Let me show you this ball. This ball is fascinating. Okay. now I need to turn on torchlight to demonstrate this properly. So I have this ball. This ball is a juggling ball. In fact, I have quite a few of them there. So let's roll them over. Roll them over. Now you can do foot juggling with these balls. Now push that aside. Now this is heavy actually. You have to it's solid. It's got rubber feet, so it won't move. Then so there it is. The balls. I'm going to so that is the footsie game. So this is actually great. So this is a solid board. Okay, it's a someone threw it away, my neighbors. So and you have this ball here, and when you sit you just put your feet there, so it can function like a massage. you know um, you put both your feet there and like a massage. you know so I guess that's about that. Takes some trouble to show that. And they come with giant keycaps. I was kind of thinking buying some kind of, oh yeah, so about the I need to sit back properly. And you see I have a small body frame. So I have a small body frame, so I usually sit up with my legs on the chair like that. So that is why I do not often use the foot pedals. I find it um, because I need to hop around all the time. So let's go back to the oh, it's because I thought I quit by mistake. Am I still alive? Check. Okay, I'm still alive, but why? Okay, so okay, I need to stop. I need to show my screen. Okay, I should be showing my screen. Oh, this part is dead. Okay, so close that. Let me open. That's why I don't see the comments. And okay, so about the foot pedals. So what is the software? I forgot. So let's go to my keyboard um, uh, page to see. Yeah, let's go to the Kinesis foot pedal. I have it somewhere here. There it is. So they have a version that's just two pedals and a version with three. Usually these kind of thing they sell such that they are very expensive. They differ by just $10. So if you're gonna buy one, you might as well get the three pedals one. Okay, but the Kinesis one is very expensive. I mean, it's way expensive. You can go check out on Amazon. Uh, so on this page, I didn't actually do a proper review because I wrote this page before I got it. Well, they sent me a copy. They sent me a copy so I can review it for them. I did. So I actually never did because actually never used it much. So today is some sort of review. So it's very well built. But what is the software you use to program it? I forgot. And then you have this kind of thing. Wait, let me focus. Okay, what is the software? Um, I forgot. You have to just go to their website, Kinesis Foot Pedal. You'll find it, and they have full description. They also have manuals you can download. So I forgot what is the software. So that is that. About the foot thing. When you roll a ball on it, what um so what do you want is you want a hold on a second. So you want a let me show you. So the ball I'm using is these juggling balls. Okay, I had them for like 4, 5, 6, 7 years now, so it doesn't look pretty. It looks kind of yeah, how do you it looks kind of nasty, because it age with the color goes becomes drab. Before it's all shiny like neon color, but now it's very dirty and so let me show you juggling. Okay, I haven't juggled for like 10 years. So anyway, Oh God, I'm muted. How long? I've been muted on the my video. How long have I been muted? Impossible. This must be long ago. I must be talking muted for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Oh my God, this is so bad. Toggle timestamps. Mute 4:05 p.m. So I've been talking 7 minutes muted. It's so bad now. I don't know what to do now. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So 7 minutes. I don't remember. Oh God, this is so bad. 10 minutes. Okay, so I don't remember what I talked about 10 minutes before. Okay, let me just repeat something important. On foot pedal, so foot pedal, so let me write it down. Okay, foot pedal. Let me write down. Some people like to press them, use them as a control by default. Like you hold this pedal for control or Alt, things like that. So if you are Emacs user, you can press down for control and you press keys with your hand on keyboard. I don't like that. Okay, I prefer single key. Okay, I prefer single. Make the pedals do single key. So for example, like what I've done, one pedal is for last application, last window. The other one is toggle full screen, things like that. Or you can have them zoom in, zoom out, refresh browser, something like that. Make them single key functions. I do not recommend using them as modifiers. So that's one thing. That's one thing. Okay. Foot pedal using as modifiers. No recommend using as modifiers. I recommend using them as single function keys, such as toggle max screen, switch to last app, back, next, window, tab, workspace, things like that. Okay, that's one thing, one point. The other point is I read from a story, some gamer, he bought a foot pedal and he used it to push to talk in gaming. So he stamp on the pedal and he can talk. And one day he's driving and he's talking to his mom. So he pushed to talk, and the result is not too good. So if you get foot pedal, beware of that. Okay, you don't want to get confused. The story of a gamer who used foot pedal as PDEL, DAL as push to talk. One day he is driving and and push to talk to his mom. Okay, that's the thing. And about the software, is it Windows or Mac? I forgot. So you just go to their website and you can see it's Windows or Mac. I mean, yeah, check their website. I don't remember. I don't have the information here. And also on this page, I wrote this page before I actually have it. So on this page, my information is not too good. Okay, I don't know. So I'm going to update it today a little bit. So they sent me this one, Kinesis. They sent it to me. So because I don't use it, so that's why I haven't done review. But today is some sort of review. So that's some of the important things. So what did I talk about that you guys all missed? That's so bad. Shit. I I don't know what I don't know what am I doing. So we did show kinesis pedals. We did Emily footsie. Okay. So and we show ball on the board. So I was talking about the juggling balls. Okay, the juggling balls. The one I have are those. Uh, so Sasha. Okay, so Sasha is she has a blog about creating a USB foot pedal yourself. So you can read her blog and see how to do it. The kinesis one is kind of very expensive, very expensive. And okay, yeah. So that's about that. So did I talk about this when I was muted? So I was saying, there's a ship. This is a U.S. Navy warship, and a merchant ship rammed into them. Okay, so why? Because of the all the touch screen GUI. That's bad. So what you want is the classic, knobs and wheels. That's what you want. So the Navy decided they are going to switch to all command centers into, from the GUI back to the knobs and wheels. That's what you want, and yeah, that's so. I think that's it for today. Yeah, it's so bad. I talking for 10 minutes without audio. So anyway, so anything else? Any questions? Questions and comments? Okay, questions about the foot pedal or something else? And maybe that's it for today. Let's see. I've been talking 9 people, 40 minutes, and we do Emacs tomorrow or next day. So wait. So this. Let's see what the keys. Let's press the foot pedal. Let's see. I need to turn on event viewer. So let's see what my foot pedal. So right foot is refresh browser. Okay, so right foot refresh browser. That's right. Then middle is left control F, right GUI. Yeah, so middle is toggle max window. Okay, and the left is last app. Switch to last app. Anything else? Any questions? Can you program different functions if you press the two pedals at once? Oh, that's interesting. I don't know. I haven't I've because I had this I haven't really used it, maybe for an hour, that's it. So I don't remember. And I don't even remember what software is used. I mean, what's their software to do it? So, just go to their website. They have manuals and full information. And I think I'm going to update this page, my review of it, so you get that information. Yeah. Okay. That that's it for today. I mean, I guess that 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, code keys and mouse. Yeah. Anything else? Otherwise, no comments, or we shut down in 1 minute. Any comments? Oh, but we missed you. So I looked all day long for your schedule, and now you scream right after I stopped looking. Sorry. No, it's you know, I just don't have a good schedule. And but that's it. I think that's it. Code keyboard. What about code keyboard? Yeah, that code keyboard. Code keyboard. So you have this. this is a famous, so-called mother of all demos. This guy who he's I think he's the first. He invented the mouse. Uh, and so this is back in 1950s or 1960s. Engelbert. His name is Engelbert, and he died, I think, 5 years ago. And and in the beginning, he came up with the chord keyboard idea. And we do have several chord keyboard. Uh, like I mentioned yesterday, we do have steno, piano text, Michelin or Michelin coded keyboard. Okay, but we also have things like that. The bad keyboard. And if you look at, so here is the cheat sheet for the bad keyboard. So it will take a lot of time to learn. So my opinion about coded keyboard is that if you have that, okay, I don't like it. Okay, don't do this. Oh, by the way, I don't, it's not hard. I don't think it's very difficult. I talked about this yesterday. I don't think it may in fact be easier to learn than touch typing to achieve the same speed. Okay, that's my point. So what I'm saying is that in fact, if you count the number of hours spent to achieve, let's say, 80 word per minute, the chord keyboard may be easier. Any one of these, chord or piano or steno may be in fact easier because, well, I talked about it yesterday. So anyway, about chord keyboard, you want properly designed physical keyboard such as any one of these. Okay, you don't want the you don't want to use the computer keyboard keys for that. That's actually no good. And also there's another device called, what's the name? Do you guys remember? I don't have a picture. I think I have it somewhere, but I don't remember what's the name. So it's very expensive. So it's a keyboard. It's got holes for your fingers to sink in. Then it for each finger, it got like four kind of keys on each side. So you stuck your finger in and you push it up, down, and left, right. That's how you create input with that device. It's no good. I mean, it's one of the rare device. Anyway, that's it. I think that's it. Bye, guys. Data hand. That's right. Data hand. Hello, hello, Nabi Young. Data hand. Let's look at that. Data hand. I need pictures. Okay, let's just see. Look at that. Wikipedia. Usually they don't have. I want to see a lot of pictures. Okay, so there we have it. Lots of pictures. So yeah, looks like that. I don't think this is good device. You see the way you use it. You sink your finger in, then it got four things. It's first of all, it's not ergonomic because I don't think your finger is designed to nudge left and right like that, and it's overly complex. I don't. It's not a good design. So rather, you go with any of these piano. You go with this any piano key design or the steno design. It's better than this. Okay, let's see. Okay, bye guys. check. Okay, good.